Let's now take a look at all the market action this past week. Wall Street has changed a little and traded mixed on the last day of the week as the markets approached the end of a bullish week. The S&P 500 traded flat and the Nasdaq Composite declined marginally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average retreated from the previous day's bullish run and traded flat to negative. Earlier during the week, U.S. indices had reached record highs owing to the rising expectations of rate cuts by the Federal Reserve coming in later this year. European markets broke their 9-day winning streak and were dragged into the negative territory by major stocks losses. Well, the FTSE fell 0.21% to 8,420 and DAX was down 0.12% at 18,700. The CAC also declined 0.23%. Earlier during the week, the Asian indices traded mixed. The Nikkei fell 0.34% due to the weak global cues. However, the Hang Seng surged by nearly 1% after the Chinese central bank announced sweeping measures to strengthen the property market. The People's Bank of China plans to reduce the minimum mortgage down payments. Oil prices rose on moderate U.S. inflation data, and strong demand oil booked its first weekly gain in 3 weeks. As economic indicators from big consumers, China and the U.S., it bolstered hopes for higher demand. Declines in oil and refined goods inventories at global trading hubs have also created optimism over demand, reversing a trend of rising stockpiles that had weighed heavily on crude oil prices in previous weeks. Gold prices, aided by China's stimulus measures, clocked their second consecutive weekly gain on renewed hopes for U.S. rate cuts, with silver breaking the $30 barrier to hit an 11-year high. Meanwhile, platinum got support from higher prices for gold and base metals. Platinum hit a 1-year high on Thursday. The metals is up 8% so far this week due to continued structural deficits. Palladium also rose 1.3% and it breached the $1,000 mark for an ounce.